Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Finding the area between polar curves is actually super fast if you follow these simple steps. Let's solve this shaded region problem together right now. First, we need to identify our boundaries by setting the two polar equations equal to each other. This helps us find the intersection points where the curves meet on the graph. Next, we set up our definite integral using the formula for polar area. We subtract the inner radius squared from the outer radius squared and integrate over our specific interval. Finally, we calculate the definite integral for the total area. The result matches our target value perfectly, leading us to the answer. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing to prevent sign errors. Trust given values and check steps for option B.